Byju hopes to invest $200 million to develop its offline business. Bengaluru, EdTech unicorn Byjus is looking to invest $200 million in offline tuition centers over the next 12 to 18 months, to cater to students from grades 4 to 10, the company said. The company conceptualized its offline foray last year after the acquisition of tutorial chain Aakash Education Services for an estimated cash and stock deal worth $950 million. It has already launched 80 offline centers across 23 cities and is looking to scale that up to 500 centers across 200 cities this year. A lot of parents felt that their child should also get access to offline centers and physical intervention. Hence, we decided to expand offline through Byjus Tuition Center, which will imbibe an omni-channel learning strategy, Rinal Mohit, Chief Operating Officer of Byjus, told ET in an interview. These centers will be equipped with high-quality online learning material, analytics-led assessment, and will combine the presence of physical teachers to improve learning outcomes, he said. Each center is expected to have an average strength of 30 to 40 teachers, which Byjus will hire and train, he added. The centers will also equip students with tablets to take assessments and courses online. Discover the stories of your interest: blockchain 5 stories, cyber safety 7 stories, fintech 9 stories. E-comm 9 stories, Mill 8 stories, Edtech 6 stories. Byjus, which was last valued at $21 billion, is looking to onboard close to 3,000 to 4,000 new teachers for its tuition centers over the course of this year. Including teaching staff, Byjus is aiming to add 10,000 individuals to run these 500 centers. It is also targeting a base of over 1 million students for its offline-led learning play over the next 24 months. While these centers will predominantly focus on learning around mathematics and science, it will also offer students holistic development through counseling and Olympiads. The courses that Byjus will offer at its tuition center will be priced in the range of 3,000 rupees to 3,500 rupees monthly, the company said. Learnings from Aakash. After the acquisition of Aakash in April 2021, Byjus has taken its learnings and implemented it for its offline learning model. We have picked up from the hybrid learning model adopted by Aakash during COVID-19 and borrowed bits from how they structure their courses, customer learnings, as well as how to drive student engagement in physical classrooms. We have also tried to understand compliances, best operation practices, as well as marketing activities for scaling our physical centers, said Himanshu Bajaj, head of Byjus Tuition Center, who joined the company in November last year. Bajaj added that the company currently has no plans to enter the competitive test preparation segment offline, or target students above grade 10, areas which are largely covered by Aakash's offering. The company will, however, look to integrate some of its acquisitions, made over the course of last year, onto its offline tuition centers. Currently, Byjus is gearing up for its international public listing this year. The firm is said to be exploring the special purpose acquisition company route and is in negotiations with at least 3 such routes, including Michael Klein's Churchill Capital and Michael Dell's MSD Acquisition Corp., Bloomberg reported last month. The company raised $1.2 billion in debt in November last year for acquisitions. Byjus had made close to 9 acquisitions last year, including upskilling platform Great Learning and test preparation platform Topper. It also acquired children's reading platform Epic and code learning website Tinker to fortify its presence in the US market.